you look at the structure, so you have your first break of the top distributional formation. Then you have your major sign of weakness going into the local selling climax, and then you have a local trading range with the change of behavior rally right here. So this is a change of behavior rally that has those characteristics. Now, please note that 2022 change of behavior rally is better, way better. So that's number one. Secondly, let's look at the next reaction. What happens? I mean, like, this was an uncanny Fed bar. And what I'm referring to is in 2022, right? So remember that kind of like this was the first reaction. This was so smooth. There was no supply behind it. And it was like, yeah, this looks still bullish. Then a lower high, and then this pattern, where in 2022, we have the Fed and this bar reverses this level and commits to the downside. So uncanny, kind of the same. Then we go down and we have a much better rally right here around this point. And then we have a bar like this. So in a way, how this bar comes in, I would say like this is that, CPI bar, which is again in 2022. I'm just analoging here. And then we still go down. And as we go down, this is kind of like the key here. The break, extension of the break, and then yes, the increase of the supply. And it looks first like as if like, yeah, we're going to approach the support, we're going to increase the volume signature. Behind that, there is a demand. And there is a demand. I mean, like, somebody is definitely buying. So I'd say, like, to me, there are certain sequences here that would tell me, like, yeah, this is more of the confirmation of the bearish scenario. First, the break, that's number one. Secondly, the extension. We already talked about the character. And then what comes next? What kind of rally we have out of like this sprain / minus sign of weakness position. So with this, would we have some kind of like rally out of the sprain position that would have this type of character? 6. And then after that, what's important is that it's not holding, the sprain is not holding. And then more importantly, so this is 7. And then more importantly, 8, we have the increase of volatility. So all of this in sequence would suggest continuation to the downside, immediate continuation to the downside.
I really like this analog here, Roman. I mean, I'm just eyeballing everything. This is spookily, similar. And look at the volume swell coming down. Look at the volume coming up of this change behavior. And again, I'd say this selling is better than this buying. Look at the way we're pushing up.